to Dutton vlogs. Today we're not doing any riding. Actually, we might get some in when we get back. But we're going to Norwich camping place to get some things for a trip. What I'm not telling you about until we go there, which you need to look forward to. So that's all we're doing today. Apparently, it's going to be the hottest day of the year. It doesn't look that hot today, really cloudy, but it is quite hot. So that's all really what we're doing today. Might do a bit of swimming today. Do the same old, same old. The reason why I'm going on for like this, I'm checking what the weather's going to be like today. So London party cloud. That makes no sense. Both in Edmonds, 23 degrees, so it's not the hottest day of the year. What's going to be the hottest point of the day? Today, hottest is 24 degrees. And the coldest bit of the day is 6 AM. After sun rising, so that's all good. So I'll see you guys when we're there. We're in the camp place, it's so boring. Look. Oh, it's a wild Alex. Well, we just try and play Pokemon really, so you can't... Look, is it me or am I the only one who gets this? Oh, it's loading for so long. I don't like it. I have to be quiet. Look at my cat. Yeah. Heading off. So thirsty. Too thirsty. It's boiling in here. Look, it's like these containers things. What's the 9? We're still looking around. Let's hope if we can find any more. We're in here now. We've just found a little room, me and Alex. So we can just do what we want and like rebels. Whoa. But not that much going on in here. We're bored as. Let's go. It looks quite cool. There's a little bed. Just poke out. Shh, shh, be quiet, be quiet. That's what's going on behind us. So tired. But I'm still happy, just relaxing in a place, getting weird looks of them. Let's go. Yes. Come on then. Alex, get down from there. It's the Wizard of Oz. Hey guys, we just came to the bottom of the road and we've just found out the only way back is to get on this ferry thing. Is it stabled?
Look, can you get the camper over here then, Julian? Hey?
Oh. It's quite scary. I don't know really what to do. Basically, it's
No,
weird.
it's good for 10 trips.
I wonder if we get hit. It's so slow.
Pulls, doesn't it? That's what it does.
Yeah, I'm showing.
It's quite fun. Look at it.
Yeah, I'm showing.
So this is it.
I don't reckon much of that
What?
campsite really. It'd be nice to stay
Well,
next to the
this
pub.
feels quite weird. Yes. I'll show you guys a bit more.
I bet.
Turn your engine on then.
What happens on that map?
Well, I can see the sat
Oh, it's
nav.
moving down. It's pushing up. Oh! Well, we didn't sink. That was quite good.
You could have just stood out there, wouldn't you?
Jay, thank you.
Thanks for that.
Thank you. Thank you. Well, that was that. Okay, guys. I'm just having a look at this, and yesterday you saw my basically that all fell off the exhaust. Look, the exhaust was supposed to be there, but look how far down it is. It's just holding on by here, and done the throttle. I did. Just trying to get this on. The graphics are on the floor, so I'm just trying to do that. And look at that. Look how nice that is. Oh, nice and blue. Oh, nice and blue. But I'll just try to get it done, and I'll show you guys when it's done. I hope it's done. Welcome back, your faces, to Louis Dutton Vlogs. Today we are doing pit biking, and it is pit bike night. Pit bike night. The Monday every month is tonight. Cool, just run all them stairs. Really out of breath. 1, 2, 3. Back in the game. So that's all we're really doing today. Looks like a very nice sky. Very nice blue sky. Still a bit cloudy, but not the best. I don't know if I showed you this in my last vlog. I've got a Pastrana top. Very nice Nitro Circus one. And I've got his autograph with it as well. He's 3-bike Tommy gave me a top, like the Nitro Circus tops, 2 of them. And I caught 5. Pastrana gave me 2 tops as well. So, and I got this as well. Was good. So I'm just going to get my gear on ready again. Hope you liked yesterday's vlog. That little cool edit was quite cool. I'm going to try to make my new intro today, so that will be good and interesting. So I'll see you guys when that's ready. Actually, no, that won't be ready. I'll see you guys when I'm done. Okay, I've just got we're at the bottom of the track now. I haven't got any bikes really now at work. My front tire, the 110's flat, and my Sierra 50, you know, like the pipe, all of that's fallen off, so haven't got a bike to ride. So they're just riding those. We've just got some buckets, 2 watering cans. We're going to try to water the whole track. It's going to take a while. We're going to try some more buckets than that. So hope that goes well. So they're all just wobbling everywhere, but we need some more really. Yeah. I'm just filling up the buckets. Look, I literally have to drive like this. It's going to be one of the most horriblest drive I've done. But they're already spilling, so wish me luck. Right, we're watering the track now. We've done them corners, that one, that one. But we're just doing the main bits really from the track. Yes, hot. time this is being uploaded, I hope I am doing daily vlogs, because I like doing them, because if I don't do it, it's boring, and if I do it, I feel like I have to do something fun. I am doing something fun, like this. Perfect timing though, eh? The amount of dust, look, ready? Cool. Guys, the things you see at the beginning of this vlog are the things that happened yesterday. Sorry there wasn't. Actually no. I might not. What happened?
Huh?
What happened?
The tank shot right in front of that tree.
Oh. There might not be a vlog up one of these days. I don't know if I'll try to get a vlog up or a Q&A. So yeah. He always bullies me. I like look at my Alpine Star boot. If anybody wouldn't give me a sponsorship, I need some. Hello. Yes. Over here, my little young one. No. Just, I don't know, but I'm excited for pit bike. Pit bike night is tonight. Let's hear James say it. Pit bike night. Red flag. Jeez. I'm happy I caught that. I hope I caught that. And let me just have a look at the footage. As soon as I turn the camera off, he crashes again. What a plonker.